Good morning, everyone. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Today, we're going to be shifting over from adding and subtracting to shapes. So we're going to be learning about the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Today, we'll only be focusing on 2D, and tomorrow, we'll talk more about 3D. So let's go ahead and get started. What are 2D shapes? This is a great question. 2D shapes are shapes that are flat. So that means if I have a shape, I can lay it down and it's going to be completely flat. It won't be standing up. It'll be completely flat laying down. What are some examples of 2D shapes? I'm going to give you guys some time to think about some examples that you might have. Okay, let's see if any of your examples were right. Here are some examples of 2D shapes. We have a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a circle, and a hexagon. These are all 2D shapes. These are not the only 2D shapes, but these are examples of 2D shapes. These are shapes that lay flat. Now let's talk about their properties. So 2D shapes have two different properties. They have sides, and sides tell us how many straight edges a shape has. That's so important, guys. Sides tell us how many straight edges a shape has. Okay. The second property that we have is vertices. Vertices tell us how many corners a shape has. So we're going to use these two properties and we're going to talk about how they apply to different shapes. So let's go ahead and start with a triangle. I want to start with my sides, and remember the sides tell us about how many straight edges we have. So I'm going to count all the straight edges I have on a triangle. Be sure to count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 sides on my triangle, and this is going to be true for all triangles. All triangles are going to have 3 sides. Now let's count how many vertices each triangle is going to have. We have 1, 2, 3. So every single triangle is going to have 3 vertices. The vertices, remember, are the corners where the sides meet. Okay, now let's move on to our next shape. We have a square. Let's start with our sides. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 sides. Now let's find out how many vertices or corners a square has. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So all squares are going to have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Our next shape is a rectangle. Again, we're going to start with the sides, so go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have 4 sides of a rectangle, so all rectangles have 4 sides. Let's find out how many corners or vertices we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So rectangles have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Very similar to the square, but rectangles are a different shape because a square has equal sides and a rectangle has different sides. So it has 2 sides that are the same and then 2 other sides that are the same but longer. Okay, let's go ahead and go on to our circle. Let's count how many sides our circle has. Remember, sides tell us about the straight edges of a shape. Does a circle have any straight edges? Nope. So we don't really have any sides. So we're going to say a circle has 0 sides. Now let's count the vertices or the corners on the circle. Again, I'm not really seeing any corners. So we're going to say that a circle has 0 vertices. So this is going to be true for all circles. Okay, now let's go on to our hexagon. Oops, I didn't change that. I'll go back and change it later. But let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our hexagon has 6 sides. Perfect. Now let's count the vertices of our hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices or 6 corners. Ignore the circle at the top. I forgot to change that. This is a hexagon. So these are all the shapes that we're talking about today. These are 2D shapes. Remember, that means that they lie flat. What we're going to talk about tomorrow is 3D shapes, and those are going to be a little bit different. They're going to have more properties for us to talk about. So I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow about our 3D shapes. Good luck on your IXL lessons for 2D shapes. I know you guys are going to do great. Have an awesome day.